Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to explore one of nature's most formidable predators, the crocodile. With its razor-sharp teeth and an immensely powerful bite force, this carnivorous reptile dominates the dark waters, symbolizing both strength and agility. Beyond its fearsome reputation, the crocodile plays a crucial role in the global luxury fashion market. The demand for high-quality crocodile leather has skyrocketed, pushing the industry's annual revenue to an astounding $9 billion. Prized by elite fashion houses, crocodile leather is meticulously crafted into handbags, wallets, belts, and shoes, commanding prices that reflect its rarity and prestige. The foundation of the crocodile leather industry starts with careful breeding and incubation. Crocodile farms have perfected the process to ensure high hatch rates and optimal growth conditions. 1. Egg incubation. Farmers create specialized nesting areas by layering thick sand to mimic natural conditions. 1. The eggs are then transferred to hatchery facilities with controlled temperatures ranging between 29 degrees and 34 degrees, ensuring the highest survival rates. 2. Hatching period. It takes approximately 65 to 90 days for the eggs to hatch, after which the baby crocodiles are relocated to rearing tanks. 2. Here, they are provided with clean water, ample space, and a carefully controlled diet to promote healthy growth. After a period of meticulous care and monitoring, crocodiles reach a stage where they can be utilized for various commercial purposes. 1. Breeding expansion. Many young crocodiles are sold to other farms to sustain population numbers and ensure long-term supply. 2. Processing for leather and meat. Fully matured crocodiles are transported to specialized facilities where advanced techniques are used to process both their skin and meat. Transforming crocodile skin into high-quality leather is a highly specialized procedure. 1. The skin is carefully removed, preserving its texture and natural durability. 2. It undergoes a rigorous tanning process to enhance flexibility, color retention, and longevity. 3. Fashion houses then craft it into exclusive luxury products that command premium prices. Beyond fashion, crocodile meat has gained popularity in high-end restaurants worldwide. Known for its lean, protein-rich properties, it is considered a healthy alternative to traditional meats. The most sought-after cuts include the tail, back, and legs, which are valued for their tenderness and low-fat content. The extensive use of crocodile leather in fashion has sparked intense debate. Many animal protection organizations argue that farming practices must be more ethical, calling for sustainable alternatives and stricter regulations to prevent overexploitation. 1. Conservation programs have emerged to ensure that farming operations do not threaten wild populations. 2. Some luxury brands are actively investing in ethically sourced leather to balance business with sustainability.